town, they call it the summer of love. Burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the dove. I took a job at the steaming way down on Cauldron Street, and I fell in love with the laundry girl that was working next to me. Brown hair zigzagged across her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights, there was animal in her eyes. She says to me, oh can't you see, I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I surely lose my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine, and breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She says, so long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. Ah, you wouldn't want me any other way. Well, we bust around the market town, through picking down in Kent. We could tinker pots and pans and knives wherever we went. We were camping down the Garrow one time and the work was mighty good. She wouldn't wait for the harvest, I thought we should. I said to her we'd settle down and get a few acres dug, with a fire burning in the heart of Babbies on the road. She says, oh man, you foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, you'll not own me as well. Oh, she was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine, her breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on the I'll